Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see another very healthy and simple salad recipe, which is spinach and sausage salad. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So here I have taken some chicken sausages which has got jalapeno and cheese, and now we need to grill them. For that, heat a pan and drizzle some olive oil into it, and when the pan is hot, place the chicken sausages into it, and on medium flame we need to grill them until they turn golden brown from all the sides. Keep on flipping them until they are done. So these are done. I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And as it is spinach and sausage salad, you'll also need some fresh baby spinach. Now take a salad bowl and into it place the washed and cleaned baby spinach. Next goes some sliced tomatoes and sliced onions. Now add the grilled chicken sausages on top. And now I'm going to prepare a simple salad dressing. First goes 1.5 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then goes 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then goes 1 teaspoon of honey. Half teaspoon of mixed herbs. 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix this well. And our salad dressing is ready. And now generously pour the dressing over the chicken sausage, spinach and the chopped veggies. Toss this well. And let me tell you, I am making this salad for 1 people. Alright, mixing is done and now I'm going to serve this. And friends, here goes our healthy and yummy spinach and sausage salad on the serving plate. This is a very quick, easy salad recipe packed with protein, vitamins and nutrients. Also an ideal salad recipe for those who want to lose some weight. So friends, I hope you will try this salad recipe soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more healthy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.